Now, in custom home construction, clients sometimes have unrealistic expectations, which can lead to disputes between them and the builder. And yeah, I know it's not your responsibility, but you get those phone calls anyway, don't you? Well, while building codes focus on health and safety, meeting client expectations means a clear set of performance standards. Now, here's my suggestion. Reference the residential construction performance guidelines on your construction drawings. This might help you to handle disputes without actually even being involved. Now, these guidelines define construction conditions, acceptable tolerances, and corrective measures for over 330 different scenarios. And your construction drawings serve as a key visual reference for the work to be completed and therefore form a legally binding part of the agreement between the owner and the contractor. Now, including a statement like, "This house shall be built according to the residential construction performance guidelines," makes these standards a part of that contract. Each guideline is broken up into three parts: the blemish or defect, the criteria or tolerance that defines acceptable workmanship, and the corrective measure. And in some cases, the homeowner's maintenance responsibilities are mentioned. For example, if a client complains that their foundation is out of square, the guidelines explain how to measure it using the Pythagorean theorem. If the foundation meets the specified tolerance, plus or minus 1 inch, there's no issue. If it doesn't, Bob's your uncle, and the builder has to fix it. And by referencing these standards, you empower the builder and the client to resolve issues without involving you. You can instruct your clients to get a copy on Amazon or purchase a 10-pack through the National Association of Home Builders for a discount and make it a part of your design package or pass on the expense to your clients. They also offer it as a PDF. These guidelines have been around, they're on their 6th edition, and they're widely recognized in the industry, providing a benchmark for quality. Now, some builders may push back. Remind them that it's a minimum standard to manage those crazy grinders looking for a way to get out of paying you. What's your alternative? You can either write the specs yourself or become an arbitrator. I've used one. You should do things that can make you more money, like designing boldly. Have a triumphant week.